Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Last week I went on Shop Your Looks and I bought 4 things and they shipped everything separately, but I have all of my items. So let's check it out and see what's inside. So real quick, Shop Your Looks, they will give you some ideas of items that are trending for you, or you can buy some items that go with the pieces you've already purchased from Stitch Fix, or you can even buy the items you've already bought in a different size, the same size, a different color. So it's really fun. It's just kind of a shop on demand. So if you do not want to wait for your next fix and there's something you're looking for, it's a great place to look for new items. So here we go with my first item. And it is, oh, this is, I see it already. So these are pants. So this actually came from the Buy It Again section. These are a pair of pants that I love. The brand is Violets and Roses, and I received this pair of pants in a Stitch, gosh, maybe a year or a long time ago. And I love them. And I was a size 6 back then. So right now I'm a size 8, so I'll go try these on in a moment, but I'm super excited. This is probably my favorite pair of pants I've ever ordered from Stitch Fix. All right, the next item. Ooh, this is super soft. This is, I thought this was gonna be more of a sweatshirt material, and it's actually a sweater, but this is the Serein. That's my French accent. This is the Amira side stripe detail knit top. And it's really pretty. Here's the detail on the sleeve and size medium. So I'll go try this on in a minute. The next item. They sent me the wrong thing. I did not order earrings. Okay, if you guys watched my last video, it was about Stitch Fix sending me duplicates, and now they're sending me, I did not order earrings, I ordered a bracelet and a necklace. So we need to figure this out. They do have great customer service, so I'll email them. I'm sure they'll just have me, they did include a return envelope label, so we'll figure that out. Earrings. I never order earrings. I wear these same earrings every day. So that's not cool. All right, the last item. This is the necklace I ordered. All right, so let me go try on my sweater and pants. Here is the detail sweater, but here's the detail. This is actually really pretty. Again, I was envisioning this as a sweatshirt, but it is more of a sweater material. I don't know if you can see that. And oh, let me go get my necklace to go with it. Here's the Shop Your Looks necklace, my Shop Your Looks detail knit top, but I like it. My favorite part is the stripe on the sleeve. I think that's a really, really great detail. All right, and here are the pants. These are my favorite pants, but I sized up to a size 8. Thank you, 2020. But they're so comfortable. So let's go do a quick recap of all the things I bought in Shop Your Looks. All right, I'm gonna do a quick recap and share the prices with you for all of the items. The first item is the Serein Amira side stripe detail knit top. And here, I loved it. I love the detail, the cuffs, everything. And the price on this is $44. The next item is the Bay to Baubles Kenny Fringe necklace. And I love this one also, and it is $30. The next item that I ordered was the Marlyn Schiff Windsor Multi-Strand bracelet set, and it was $38. Instead, they sent me these Bancroft. These are Bancroft Norwich beaded circle earring. I am definitely going to send these back and figure out where my bracelet is. So be sure to subscribe, and I will wear my bracelet in my next Stitch Fix unboxing. And the last item is the Violet and Roses Ruthy zipper detailed print bootcut pant. I love these pants. They're very comfortable. They have a stretchy waistband. I like the bootcut bottom, and I love the design on the pant. These are $58. If you haven't checked out the Shop Your Looks tab on the Stitch Fix app or Stitch Fix website, be sure to check that out. They really do have some cool stuff online that they will just ship to you on demand. And that's it. That was everything in my Shop Your Looks extravaganza. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.